Looking for the best kitchen sink organizer but not sure which one is actually worth buying? In this video, I'm reviewing 5 of the best kitchen sink organizers you can get right now. I'll break down storage capacity, durability, design, and ease of cleaning so you can find the right option to keep your sink area neat, organized, and clutter-free. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Spacious Sponge Holder for Kitchen Sink, Sink Caddy Organizer with High Brush Holder, Kitchen Countertop Organizers and Storage Essentials, Rust-Proof 304 Stainless Steel. If you're looking at the Spacious Sponge Holder for Kitchen Sink, you're probably trying to solve one of the most common kitchen frustrations in American homes, keeping sponges, scrub brushes, soap dispensers, and cleaning tools organized around the sink area. In the US market, this product is best known for offering compact sink-side organization without taking up excessive counter space. While it may seem like a small purchase, many homeowners discover that sink organization can have a surprisingly big impact on how clean and functional a kitchen feels every day. In real-world American kitchens, sink areas often become clutter magnets. Sponges end up sitting in puddles of water, scrub brushes get tossed behind faucets, and soap bottles compete for limited counter space. Over time, that clutter can make even a clean kitchen feel disorganized. One of the biggest strengths of the Spacious Sink Caddy is its compact footprint. Unlike large countertop organizers that dominate valuable workspace, this design focuses on keeping essential cleaning tools neatly contained in a relatively small area. The dedicated brush holder is another feature many American homeowners appreciate. Long-handled dish brushes can be awkward to store, and having a designated location helps keep everything organized and accessible. The use of stainless steel construction is another practical advantage. Kitchens are naturally wet environments, and products that resist rust generally perform better over the long term. Number 2. SNTD Dish Drying Rack for Kitchen Counter, Stainless Steel Dish Rack with Drain Board, Large Dish Drainer with Utensil Holder for Sink. If you're considering the SNTD Dish Drying Rack, you're looking at a product designed to handle one of the most routine tasks in any American kitchen: drying dishes efficiently after washing. In the US market, dish drying racks remain extremely popular despite widespread dishwasher ownership. Many Americans still hand-wash cookware, knives, water bottles, baby items, delicate glassware, and specialty kitchen tools that aren't dishwasher-friendly. This rack is best known for providing organized dish drying, drainage management, and countertop convenience in one system. One of the biggest strengths is capacity. Unlike small sink-side organizers, a dedicated drying rack creates a designated space for plates, bowls, cups, utensils, and cookware. That organization helps reduce countertop clutter and makes kitchen cleanup more efficient. The included drain board is another practical feature. Water management is one of the biggest challenges with dish drying racks. Without proper drainage, water can collect underneath dishes and create additional cleaning work. A drain board helps direct moisture away from dishes while protecting countertops. The utensil holder is another useful addition. Forks, spoons, knives, and cooking utensils often become disorganized during drying. A dedicated compartment keeps smaller items separated and easier to access. The stainless steel construction is also important. Dish racks are constantly exposed to water, and corrosion resistance plays a major role in long-term durability. Number 3. Urakify Stainless Steel Dish Drying Rack, Large Capacity Kitchen Counter Organizer with Drain Board, Utensil Holder and Detachable Cup Shelf, 304 Surgical Grade Rust-Proof Dish Drainer, Easy Assembly. If you're looking at the Urakify Stainless Steel Dish Drying Rack, you're probably searching for a way to keep your kitchen counter more organized while creating a dedicated space for drying dishes. In the US market, this type of drying rack is best known for offering high-capacity dish storage, countertop organization, and long-term durability for households that regularly hand-wash dishes. Even though most American homes have dishwashers, many people still wash cookware, chef's knives, water bottles, baby bottles, cutting boards, and delicate glassware by hand. That's where a well-designed drying rack becomes valuable. One of the biggest strengths of the Urakify rack is its large capacity design. For families that cook frequently, a small drying rack often fills up quickly. Having room for plates, bowls, cups, and cookware at the same time can make kitchen cleanup much more efficient. The included drain board is another practical feature. Water management is a major factor in any drying system. A proper drain board helps keep excess water away from countertops and reduces the amount of cleanup required after dishes dry. The utensil holder adds another layer of organization. Instead of scattering forks, spoons, and cooking tools around the counter, everything stays in one designated location. Another feature American buyers often appreciate is the detachable cup shelf. Water bottles, travel mugs, coffee tumblers, and insulated drinkware are extremely common in U.S. households. Having a dedicated drying space for these items helps maximize organization. Number 4. ADBIU over the sink dish drying rack, expandable height and length, snap-on design 2-tier large dish rack 31-39.4 L x 12 W x 34-38 H inches. If you're considering the ADBIU over the sink dish drying rack, you're looking at a completely different approach to kitchen organization. In the US market, over-the-sink racks are best known for providing maximum storage while preserving valuable countertop space. For many American homeowners and apartment residents, counter space is one of the most valuable resources in the kitchen. Traditional drying racks occupy part of the counter permanently, while over-the-sink systems take advantage of vertical space above the sink. One of the biggest strengths of this rack is efficiency. Instead of dedicating countertop space to drying dishes, the system uses an area that would otherwise remain unused. The expandable design is another major advantage. Kitchens vary dramatically in size, especially across apartments, condos, townhomes, and single-family homes. Adjustable dimensions help the rack accommodate different sink configurations. The 2-tier layout also increases storage capacity. Plates, bowls, cookware, utensils, cups, and kitchen accessories can often be organized on separate levels, improving workflow and accessibility. In real-world American kitchens, this type of rack is especially popular among people living in apartments where every inch of counter space matters. Number 5. Sicily Blue Kitchen Sink Caddy Organzier with High Brush Holder, Sponge Holder for Sink, 304 Rust-Proof Stainless, Kitchen Countertop Soap Dispenser Organizer, Blue Home Decor and Accessories. If you're looking at the Sicily Blue Kitchen Sink Caddy Organizer, you're considering a product designed to keep sinkside essentials organized while adding a touch of color to the kitchen. In the US market, sink caddies like this are best known for helping homeowners manage sponges, brushes, soap dispensers, and cleaning tools without cluttering the sink area. One of the biggest strengths is organization. Kitchen sinks often become gathering places for sponges, scrubbers, dish brushes, and soap bottles. Without a designated storage area, these items can make even a clean kitchen look messy. The high brush holder is particularly useful because long-handled cleaning brushes are often difficult to store neatly. The stainless steel construction is another major benefit. Since sink organizers are exposed to moisture every day, rust resistance is essential for long-term performance. The blue finish also gives the product a more decorative appearance compared to many purely functional kitchen organizers. For homeowners who enjoy coordinating kitchen accessories, that can be an attractive feature. Those are my picks for the top 5 best kitchen sink organizers. Some offer more storage space, while others focus on compact designs or easier maintenance. The best choice comes down to your kitchen layout and how much organization you need. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.